everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're facing the issue of your headphones being connected but there's no sound coming out in Windows 11 or Windows 10, don't worry, you're not alone and we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll walk you through several methods to fix this problem. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure that your headphones are properly connected. Double check that the headphone jack is fully inserted into your computer's headphone port. If you're using Bluetooth headphones, ensure that they are paired correctly and charged. Next, we need to check if your headphones are set as the default playback device. Here's how to do it. Right-click on the sound icon in the taskbar and select Open Sound Settings. In the Sound Settings window, look for the Choose Your Output device or pair a new output device. Then here you need to add device if you haven't, or if you have, you need to select your headphones from the list of available devices. This should ensure that your computer is sending sound to your headphones. If this doesn't work, don't worry, we've got more solutions. Sometimes outdated or corrupted audio drivers can cause sound issues. Let's update them. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the sound. Here, right-click on your device's audio and select Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically for drivers. After the update, restart your computer and check if your headphones are working. If this also doesn't work, Windows has a built-in troubleshooter that can detect and fix common sound problems. Here's how to use it. Go to Settings by pressing Windows plus I. Go to System, then go to Troubleshoot. Now click on Other Troubleshooters or Additional Troubleshooters. Find Audio and run the troubleshooter. This should identify and fix any issue with your audio storage. And there you have it, several methods to fix the issue of your headphones being connected but not producing any sound in Windows 11 or 10. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.